This is a journal using the digital kit by My Porch Prints called Feel Good Journal. I made this tassel. This is a 120-page book journal. And when I was making the text block and attaching it with the cover, I made a little loop so I could attach the tassel. You could put a lobster clasp on there if you wanted it to be detachable. So the end pages are from the kit. I printed these papers on cardstock, and that's the end pages attached the text block to the cover. Here's a tag, added some lace, and this is a sticker that I printed on my Cricut machine, and that is from the digital kit, and I printed that on label paper, and it worked out quite well. So lots of blank pages for me to write in, or if I always make 2 books, this one will probably go to a friend as a gift. This isn't all of the papers from the kit. There are lots more, but this is what I chose for this book. This is an envelope, and it's sewn right into this signature or this group of papers. I just had to be sure that the holes were at each side so it would lay flat. And I did not assemble the envelope before I sewed it in. It was open. All the flaps were open, and it has a magnetic closure. So you open that, and there's a little tag inside. Each person must live their life as a model for others. And then I also put a copy of the self-care calendar in there from the kit. And I made a smaller version of the envelope, also magnetic, so it could be used as a bookmark, and that can move around. And I included some stickers in this little envelope. So as I'm journaling, I can attach a sticker. So this is the sunflower page, and as you're writing, there's things you can write to prompt you to write today's inspiration, I'm thankful for, date, acts of self-care, my rewards, and about today. So I just love that. This is a pen holder. And also a bookmark, and it's magnetized so it can come off, and you can move that around. You can also put it out the side. And I saw the video for this Posh Paper Lady, I think is the name of. I'll link that. Another pretty flower. This end page is also one of the papers. It has little flowers on it. And I've added a ruffle, some lace, and then a pocket. And another butterfly that I put some stickles on it so it shines and sparkles. Integrity is doing the right thing, even when no one is watching. Quote by C.S. Lewis. The cover pages are also done with paper from My Porch Prints. And there you go. Can't wait to use it.